Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this vehicle's been upgraded to have this lovely opening panoramic glass roof and also an electric tailgate. On top of this, there's full LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, it's half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter and a smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.